Yes, welcome back to paper 1, lecture 2. This is your quadratic equation. Let me share my screen and we'll continue with the remaining part of our topic. So, basically, we are supposed to begin with question number 3. So, let's start. In the following equations, you need to compare it with standard form, that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and write the values of abc in each of the given equations. So, let me just quickly copy the question. Just give me a moment. I need to shift my video a bit up so that I can copy paste it neatly. So yeah, there is question. Question number third of your 2.1, and I have copied this. Let me paste it to my OneNote and we'll start. Okay. So let's start with the lecture 2 ka page. Let's go here. Let me paste and थोड़ा नीचे ले लेते हैं. Let me just do full screen and we'll begin. So this is going to be very easy. Let me select the black pen. Let's do full screen and let us begin. So solution for your first one. What is it? 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. Bring it to the standard form. So y square, therefore y square plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now you need to compare it. So comparing, just give me a moment. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then you are going to get, therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 10. So this is what they have asked in the question. Yes or no? Let's start with the second one. The second question. What they have asked me in the second question, the question is x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 2x plus 3. And let us start with the solution. There is a prerequisite which is required. You should know this particular formulas. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll switch off my video for better streaming. And I'll just give you a few set of formulas which are needed. Okay, I don't know why these dogs are barking so much. Even they like to attend my session. I don't know why. So therefore, a plus b the whole square. This pen is so heavier. Is there any lighter color in this? There is pink light shade. Okay, good. So here it's going to be a minus b the whole square. The formula is required. So a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? So x minus 1 square, you are going to expand in the same manner, isn't it? Bolo yes or no? So let us expand that part. That is, here it's going to be x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x plus 1, and is equal to, I'll go step by step, 2x plus 3. Therefore, here it's going to be x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, here it's going to be minus 4x हो जाएगा, तो x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to a plus 1 plus 3. So here it's going to be plus 4 again. Okay, please don't make such type of error. So x square minus 4x, here it's going to be plus 1 and ये plus 3 इधर minus आ जाएगा, ठीक है, minus 3. So plus 1 minus 3 is going to be minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, give me a moment. Therefore, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to minus 2. So this is the solution to your second question. Let's go for the third question. That is x square plus yx, x square plus yx is equal to minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 वैसा है ना. So minus sign is outside. So can I just write it in the standard form first of all? It's looking so abnormal now. So first of all write it neatly. X square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 अंदर minus से multiply होगा तो plus x. Therefore now write it in standard form. X square plus 5x फिर ये x उधर जाएगा तो minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore here it's going to be x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to, guys don't mix up, ये part इधर खत्म हो गया, ठीक है. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the next part. That's the reason I'm saying please don't jumble with the questions. Okay, just give me a moment. It seems ये इधर खत्म हो गया है क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. Don't mix up, please. I don't want you all to be confused. Let's go with question number 4. Give me a moment. Question number 4. What is the question? Here it's 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Okay. One thing we will do, we'll just write neatly. You know, this seems so shabby here. Just give me a moment. Draw eraser. I'll just insert some lines so that it won't get mixed. Okay, just give me a moment. And this is the line where we completed. So इधर से एक line आता है ऐसा. Okay. So here this question is ended. Then let me draw one more line. That is here this question is ended. Please don't get mixed up or don't get jumbled. Okay, be very clear. So that's the reason I say always sit with a book and pen whenever I am teaching something. Let me just end this part over here. Okay, so let's start. Let's go with the fourth question and let's begin. Let's begin with the fourth question. So what is the fourth question here? It's 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. So here it's going to be 3m square minus 2m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And I will get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to plus 9, isn't it? Let's start with question number 5. If there is any. Yes, there are more two questions of this type. So fifth question says that p in the bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. So I would suggest first bring it normally. इधर का side पहला solve कर लो. तो इधर क्या मिलेगा तुमको? Here it's going to be 3p plus p square is equal to minus 5. Therefore, here you can write p square plus 3p plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing it with standard forms, so comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 5. We are supposed to do only this much in this question. And let's start with the last question. This question number 6. And it is x square minus 9 is equal to 13. The most simplest question. X square minus 9 is equal to 13. X square minus 9 minus 13 is equal to 0. So x square, and what is 13 plus 9? It's 22. So x square minus 22 is equal to 0. Here you can write, therefore x square plus 0x, you can insert that term since it's absent, minus 22 is equal to 0. Then you can compare it with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, isn't it? Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to minus 22. Okay, so with this, we are done with this sub question. Okay, let me just draw a line in order to avoid confusion. And let's go ahead with the next part. I'll just copy paste the question. Give me a moment. Good. Chalo, cool. And let us draw a line here as well. See, presentation part matters lot in algebra in order to avoid errors. Okay, so let's begin with the next part, that is question number 4. Again, the simple question, need not worry. Question 4 and 5 both are easy. This topic is easy. Okay, it's same as linear equation. Okay, same, near about same, the way of approach. Anyways, I have decided 12 lectures, but I think it would exceed up to 15. I don't know. So let's hope for the best and try to complete as soon as possible. ASAP. Okay, let's go ahead with the main question number 4, and let's try to record that particular session. Hmm, pay attention to what they are asking. Of Determine the values given against each of the quadratic equation are roots of equation or not. Okay. So see, to determine whether this particular values are roots or not, you need to substitute that particular value in the place of variable, and you need to check whether LHS is coming to RHS, whether LHS and RHS are equal or not. So let me take the first question. This x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, where x is equal to 1 comma minus 1, are they are saying check whether these values are roots or not. So to check whether the following are roots or not, I would say substitute x is equal to 1 in LHS. Okay, substitute x is equal to 1 in the given equation. Therefore, LHS is equal to, what is LHS? X square plus 4x minus 5, which is equal to, substitute क्या करना है, 1 करना है, so 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. So 1 plus 4 minus 5, which is equal to 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. Okay, let all this equal to be in a good line. Okay, equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, and x is equal to 1 is the root of given quadratic equation. Therefore, you need to write x is equal to 1 is the root of given quadratic equation. On the other hand, they have given one more value, that is minus 1. So we need to check this for minus 1 also. So here I would say substitute x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. It's going to be minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. So it's going to be 1 minus 4 minus 5. So here it's going to be 1 minus 9, which is here it's going to be minus 8, which is not equal to my RHS. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is not a root of given quadratic equation. Okay, so you need to be very punctual. You need to be very careful. Okay, to check whether the root is there or not. The moment you made a mistake in sign or you missed any term, you are definitely going to lose the marks and no one will be able to help you there. Okay. So unlike geometry, getting marks for the steps is very difficult because one step is wrong and you are losing the entire battle. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's solve for the second question, that is 2m square minus 5 is equal to 0. The second question, 2m square. Second question, just give me a moment. Second question, 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0, where your values for m is 2 and 5 by 2. See, if you think I'm going fast, do let me know in the comment section. And if you are writing along with me, see to it that you are pausing the video wherever you are lagging behind. Okay, so let me go ahead and let's begin. Okay, so I'm having a clear view. So we'll substitute first m is equal to 2. So substituting, we are checking for m is equal to 2. So substituting m is equal to 2 in LHS. LHS here is nothing but 2m square minus 5m. Here it's going to be 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2. Here is going to be 2 into 4 minus 5 into 2. Here it's going to be 8 minus 10, which is equal to minus 2, if I am not wrong. And which is not equal to RHS. Again, a problem since it's not equal to RHS, अपने को एक चीज तो पता चल गया that m is equal to 2 is not a root of given quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us just go for the other part, that is 5 by 2. So now checking for 5 by 2, so substitute m is equal to 5 by 2 in LHS. So LHS is going to be 2m square minus 5m, which is equal to 2 into 5 by 2 square. Can I just write it neatly to avoid confusion? So 2 into 5 upon 2 the whole square minus 5 into 5 upon 2. Here it's gonna be 2 into 5 square is 25 upon 2 square is 4, which is equal to minus 5 into 5 is 25 upon 2. So here it's going to be 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Before you solve, let me make it easy for you. So it's going to be 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2, which is equal to 0 and which is equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 5 by 2 is root of given quadratic equation. So with this, we have completed question number 4 and it was easier. Hope so. And let us go ahead with the next part. That is question number 5. Let's be quick since we are having only 10 minutes. Come on. Let us draw a line over here. Okay. Let this be from here. And let's go for question number 5. Okay. So let's go for question number 5. I hope I have not copied that question number 5, right? So question number 5 is again easy. It was asked in July 2019. And if you believe in me, this question is very easy. It was asked in, my god, this thickness is so high of the pen. So here, this was asked in the year 2019 for 2 marks. So it's easy question. Only thing is you just concentrate and do let me know in the comment section that whether it was easy or not. Okay? If such questions is going to come in board exam, I have full guarantee that my students are definitely going to score 100 on 100. So here it's going to be, let us copy the question, let us paste this to the OneNote and let's start solving. So just do it a full screen view. Find k if x is equal to 3, the root of the given equation, isn't it? So Just give me a moment. I'll just start with the solution part and this let us change the thickness of the pen. Just give me a moment. And this is the last question for today. Second last, in fact. Okay, the solution C x is equal to 3 is a root of given quadratic equation, isn't it? Just give me a moment. So x is equal to 3 is a root. Is a root of given quadratic equation, isn't it? Of given quadratic equation. Therefore, just substituting x is equal to 3 in given equation, isn't it? X is equal to 3 in given quadratic equation. Therefore, it's going to be, what is the given quadratic equation? Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, k into what is the root? It's 3 square, so k into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. And therefore, what is 3 square? It is 9. Therefore, 9k minus 10 3s are 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. And therefore, just solve this part. Therefore, 9k and what is minus 30 plus 3? Just give me a moment. Therefore, 9k is equal to 27, isn't it? Therefore, k is equal to 27 upon 9, isn't it? And therefore, k is equal to 3. Therefore, what is the value of k, my dear students? It's 3, isn't it? Just give me a moment, okay? Just give me a moment. I'll just end the session for today. K is equal to 3. And this question number 6, I want you all to try since it's a very easy question, okay? I will just write the answers. Please keep it cross check. And if you are having any doubt, please post it in the comment section. Okay. So here minus pi by 7 is the root of quadratic equation. So put m is equal to minus pi by 7 and just complete the remaining two minus 7 by 5 na bacho. Just so it minus 7 by 5. So I will do it in the next lecture. Okay. And we end for today. Bye bye. That much only from my side today. And have a good day. This is the one note. And we stop for today. Bye bye. And have a good day. Okay. We'll meet you all soon.